The short answer to this question is that yes, lukhona uthando lwangempela. That's just my opinion though. Wonke umuntu waqala right ekholelwa kuthando. Ebese kwaya umuntu wakhula, wabona, wafunda, walimala. Because you can agree with me, and now you're gonna look into your memory bank, you'll find some memories. Uzoyikhumbula usanothando lwangampela, uthando wawunalo ka-grade 9. I think that was the last few years saba nothando lwangampela. Let's just say high school. Abanye abantu kodwa phela amehla yavuleka early khona in high school, but for the most part abantu abaningi basuke nothando lwangampela, uthando olu-innocent, uthando olu-unapologetic, umthande umuntu udwebe, umenzela izinto ngoba umthando kwangampela, awukakafundi, awukakalimali. Ebese kwaya selimala. Ubunothando olu-honest, ubunothando olu-innocent. Ebese kwakhona umuntu odlala ngawo. Mhlawumbe udlale ngawe suddenly, mhlawumbe umedane wakuchithela noma umedane wakudampa nje, or ekudlale ngawe in the long term, uzoshaya ngazuthi uyakuthanda, yabo. Ebese uyafunda kancane kancane over a long period of time to accept ukuthi kahle kahle akangithandi lo muntu, mhlawumbe uthanda ukuthi ngiyamthanda nje, ololu uthando lwethu alukho right. Some people suffer those long term negative effects of ukuba kwe-relationship. Ebese uyalimala-ke, yonke into nje imedane ife, inhliziyo yakhe iphuke ngendlela engakaze yaphuka ngayo. And then after that first heartbreak, waba nama-option awu-2. The first option was ukuthi ngizohlala ngilimale, ngihile, and then try again in the honest, unapologetic, innocent way that I loved the first time, because lento engangizwile i-right. Or you go the other route ukuthi you hurt the next person, you stop being innocent, you stop being honest. As much as uthando kodwa you'll put yourself first, you won't love as much, you'll start holding back. Ebese kuba khona option yesithathu, which is very rare, ukuthi you just give up on everything and you stay celibate, ube shimane. Bancane abantu abanjalo, even though abanye besho njalo, but they are still fucking on the side. Angikhulumi ngalabo. Kodwa for the most part abantu baba nama-option awu-2 after that. And mina ngokwami ngithi the one who wins is the one who tries again, because love is like a game that you can only win if you play. Sengisholo ukuwina ukuthola uthando lwangampela. If you continue playing, you still have a chance of ukuthola uthando lwangampela, and more probably than not, you will get hurt again. You will get hurt again. Awusho ukuthi ngoba uyazama futhi in an honest and unapologetic way ukuthi uzoluthola uthando lwangampela. You will get hurt again, most probably. Kodwa the fact that you keep trying, chaza ukuthi no, you still have hope, and mawukuthi uzama in an honest and innocent way as you were the first time you loved, as you unapologetically should. Abanye abantu bayaqhubeka kodwa they start cheating, they start lying, beqale befebe. The one who decides to abandon uthando and become like the person who hurts them, they embark on a journey that changes them, not for the better but for the worse. They start engaging in casual sex, they start engaging in sexual relations with multiple people. Uqala umphefumulo wabo olimala because batshelwe abanye abantu abalimele, ngenxa yokuthi balimele nabo bazotshelwa abanye abantu abalimele ukuthi kwenziwa kanjena mfethu, ungadlala abafana, uma ekubhanqile nawe mbhanqa, noma hawu ulindeleni ukumbhanqa, namajida ngokunjalo. Thiye izokulimaza le ntombazane because bakubona wena uthanda. They start feeding you all of their insecurities. And abanye bakhuluma from experience, and it's easy to convince you because nawe une-experience embi nomuntu othile ukuthi wakulimaza. So makhulu amathuba ukuthi you will also become this sad, hurt person who is very disloyal and unfaithful and just putting themselves first whilst losing themselves every time they engage in things that they know they shouldn't engage in. Uqhubeke naleyo ndlela for years, kube iyona indlela owenza ngayo, because awufuni ukuthi uzoloba buhlungu owabuzwa kule relationship yokuqala. So kule relationship ozoyingena, uzongayihloniphi, uzongancengi, you put your walls up. Kuya-understandeka kona, kodwa into ezokwenzeka, you will eventually meet umuntu onothando lwangampela futhi, umuntu okukhumbuza loya muntu owawuyena before you got played, before you went down the road yobufebe namanga nokudlala ngabantu. And you realize that this person has also been hurt before, kodwa he went down the other road yokuthi uzovuma ukuthi ekuzwe lobo buhlungu akabuzwayo, inhliziyo yakhe iphukile, uzozinika isikhathi sokuthi ahile kahle, kodwa he will be wiser next time. Of course angeke kodwa eze elilahle uthando, angeke eze elipende njengentebe, angeke eze edlale ngabantu because yena uyakwazi ukudlala ngabantu. Uthuke nawe ukuthi kanti kunabantu abayenza lento engangisaba ukuyenza, as much as elimele nayo, kodwa uyabona ukuthi uneqiniso, uyilento ekwakumele ngibe yiyona, uyilento engiyifunayo futhi engiyidingayo empilweni yami. But after that, after meeting this person, you realize that lo muntu umthanda ngampela, kodwa because you become lesi silwane leso suyisona esifebayo, esiqamba amanga, esidlala ngabantu, esilalayo, isinome kanjani, uyena lo muntu ongasakuthandi wena, yena akasakudingi eduze kwakho, because you have all of these traits of the person that hurt them and the person that hurts people. Umuntu olimaza abantu unama-traits athile, uqamba amanga, uyafeba, uyayuzana, wenza yonke lento. You realize then ukuthi uyalidinga uthando lwangampela, ukuthi into vele wawufuna ukaze wayibeka eceleni, ukaze wayi-abandona, ngoba usumbona umuntu ofunayo ukulinika uthando lwakhe to umuntu oright, kodwa ngoba awusiyi umuntu oright uyakushiya, inhliziyo yakhe iphuke ngampela. And then you come full circle ukuthi kahle kahle lukhona ngampela uthando, ukuthi nje kunabantu abalimele, and akusho ukuthi umuntu mayesekulimazile wena sekumele uhambe uyolimaza abanye abantu. I know vele this is a very unpopular opinion ukuthi uthando lukhona. Nami angeke ngize ngithi sengilitholile uthando lwangampela njengamanje, kodwa I've met this person that is lovely, umuntu owalimala naye kodwa waqhubeka waba nothando. This conclusion that I've just spoke about is basically me, ukuthi mina I went down this route of being disloyal, of being unfaithful, and being casual with how I interact with people on an intimate and sexual level. And I've realized ukuthi kahle kahle ngingcolile compared to this person engitshela ukuthi mina ngiyamdeserve. Umbuzo engihlezi ngiyibuza wona, noma umbuzo owangifikela ukuthi how do I say that I deserve someone alright, oneqiniso, mina ngingekho right, ngineqiniso, just because ukhona umuntu owangilimazi back in the days. Akusho ukuthi sekumele ngihambe ngilimaze wonke omunye umuntu. Mina I'm doing myself a disservice, because kube kuthiwa uthando alukho ngampela, ngabe alukho ey'nhlizweni zethu, ngabe asiluzwa. I think uthando lunjengoNkulunkulu mfethu, we know ukuthi likhona, even though lingabambeki, lingathinteki, kodwa I think it's something that's there. And this is just a public service announcement, or just a reminder yokuthi stay mfethu, linda. I think eventually someone is gonna come. Nami lelo themba libuyile, even though lo muntu akade ngitshela ukuthi uzoza, noma ade ngitshela akekho, ufikile kodwa ngifika ngekho right. I think down the road khona omunye ozoza, and nami ngathi ngangifica ngi-right, nami ngeke ngibe nama-standards, nami ngeke ngiyihloniphe, ngithi ayingeke. Nami mhlawumbe ngizothola intombazane right, kodwa ngiyifunde ukuthi hayi no, ayikho right le ntombazane, ake ngihlehle ngoba ngizolimala, ayimisele ngothando lona, ilimele kakhulu. Kodwa I think umsebenzi wami mina as a person, as wonke umuntu, ukuthi uthande mfethu. When you're ready to love, love unapologetically, love innocently, love honestly, regardless of ukuthi usuwenzakaleni. Umsebenzi wethu ukuthi sithande.